In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply multiple themes in a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your slides or aiming for a distinct look that supports your message, using multiple themes can really make your presentation stand out. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First things first, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so and have it ready to go. Once you've got PowerPoint open, go to your PowerPoint presentation. You might have a new file or you may be revisiting an existing presentation. Either way, having your presentation open will allow you to see your changes in real time, which is great for seeing how each theme looks on your slides. Now, we'll be working with the Design tab in PowerPoint. If you're unfamiliar, this tab is like your control center for changing the visual aspects of your presentation. It provides a plethora of options and themes that can be applied to your slides. So click on the Design tab at the top of your screen. This is where you will find an array of themes that PowerPoint offers. Next, it's time to choose a theme for your slide. Browse through the options available. Notice how each theme comes with its own set of complementary colors, font styles, and effects. This is what can help your slides go from ordinary to extraordinary. Once you've found a theme you like, hover over it to see a preview of how it will look when applied to a slide. This step is crucial to ensure the theme aligns with the tone and content of your presentation. After selecting an ideal theme, here's an important tip. Don't just left click on the theme to apply it, because that will apply the theme to all your slides, and we're going for multiple themes here. Instead, right click on the theme you chose. This will bring up a menu with a few more options than the typical left click. By doing this, you'll have the flexibility to apply the theme to individual slides instead of the entire presentation. Once you've right clicked, choose the apply to selected slides option. If you haven't done so already, you might need to select the specific slide you want that theme to apply to before right clicking. Repeat this process for each slide where you want a different look or feel, selecting a new theme for each, or reusing some of the favorites you've chosen earlier. So now you know how to apply multiple themes across your PowerPoint presentation. This technique can really help to highlight different sections or ideas, making your presentation more engaging and visually dynamic. With this newfound skill, you'll certainly impress your audience with your creativity and attention to detail. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy presenting.